Wow, looks like my book is here. I'm super excited to open it up. It's been a while. Wow, it looks beautiful. Oh my God. One leg, one life. No excuses. It smells good, looks good, feels good. 10 years ago, I lost my right leg. I never imagined that one day I'll be holding this book in my hands. This isn't a book about losing a leg. It's about finding purpose. And life doesn't go according to the plan. And if you ever faced a challenge, a setback, or a moment that tested you, I wrote this for you. One leg, one life. No excuses.